This is going to be a video tutorial on how to make your account private on Instagram. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I'm logged into Instagram. This should work the same on the desktop app as it does on the browser version, but to make your account private on Instagram, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the left side pane, down to where it says More. I'm going to click on More. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the Settings pane here, you want to go down to the section where it says Who can see your content. You want to click on Account Privacy. And then in the right side pane, right here, Account Privacy. If you want to make your account private, you would toggle this on right here. A little pop-up will come up and you want to click on Switch to Private. It'll take it a few seconds. Now my account has been made private. Down below that it explains it a little. It says when your account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone on or off of Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. When your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtags and location pages, and your followers and following lists. Certain info on your profile, like your profile picture and username, is visible to everybody on and off of Instagram. But that is how to make your account private on Instagram. Thanks for watching.